Hi, it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns. Thank you for joining me. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in West Sussex in the UK, and today I'm going to create a very quick card using products from the Artistically Inked suite. This stamp set is fantastic. It's in the main catalogue, and it comes as a suite, so you've got the stamp set and dies which you can purchase for 10% off, and then it's got some fantastic designer series paper, and there's also a ephemera pack with gold elements and some adhesive back sequins, so I'm going to use some of those on my card. The only other product I'm using is one of the larger Tasteful label dies. I've got some petal pink, and this is half a sheet of A4, 21 centimeters by 14.8, and it's scored at 10.5, and I've also scored it at 3.5, so that folds back there, and that is going to be card base. I've then cut some DSP, and this is gorgeous. Look at that gold element through. So this is a normal matte size, so I've just trimmed down the matte. So I've got basic white, this is for the inside, and this is 10.2 centimeters by 14.5 centimeters, and then I've just trimmed this down so that, and I'll show you when I put the card together, that goes on that piece, and then this piece goes here. I think I've made a video using this design before, and I'll have a search back through my videos and do a link. And then I've just got some more basic white for the stamping and then the die cutting, so I will get on with that. But before I do, I'm just going to show you these beautiful dies. So the artistic dies are fabulous, and these two are beautiful. Look at those. I've used them in lots in projects before. I just wanted to show you those. I'm just going to bring in my piece of basic white, and I've got three colours: Pear Pizzazz for the leaves, I'm going to do the flowers in Pale Papaya, and then Polished Pink for the sentiment. So let's just do the stamping. Pop that down there. I'm going to do a couple of the leaves. One big flower, and you can see it's just very water, gives you a lovely watercolor effect. I've got one of the large, one of the small, that's the tiny one as well. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use those, but I'll stamp them while I'm doing that. So I'll put you on pause and come die cut these, and then I'll come back. So there we go. And I die cut my label while I was at it. Now I have showed you on another video, and I'll try and put a link here, to add extra dimension. These labels have some really lovely detail around the outside, but to add some extra dimension while this is still in the die, you run around the edge with either the thin or the thick end of your scoring tool, and it just makes that label pop a little bit more, which I really love. I've dug out some bits from the ephemera pack as well, and here are the adhesive backed sequins. So I'm just going to get on and stick this together. Need a new glue. Always on camera, always running out of glue on camera. Let's leave that off, we don't need that on. So So we'll put that right to the edge of there. And we're going to stick that onto there. And then one thing I didn't do is, where is my, I actually went out and crafted on Friday with our team, which is absolutely brilliant for the first time. And there we go, that's there. Give that a score there. I'm just going to stick that DSP. This DSP is just gorgeous. You know, sometimes it's hard to use it, but it's got to be done. No point having it if you're not going to use it, is there? It just gives a really lovely finish. Now, let's have a look. Just going to give this a little bit of a zhuzh. I've just put glue in the middle. It just gives this a little bit of dimension. Glue in the middle. As I say, I'm not sure if I'm going to use those little flowers, but we'll see. Nice to layer them up. Rip that off for a minute. I missed a step. I wanted to put that down. Silly Lynn. So I'm just gonna, this doesn't matter, it'll be hidden. And you could just have the frame, but I didn't want to throw away any of that gold, so I'm going to, let's see, let's go that way around. It fits on there quite nicely. Yeah. Oof, would have been annoyed with myself there. Pop that down there. And then more glue. So decision is, do we stick that way or do we stick that way? I think we stick that way. So I'm going to have a leaf there. And a leaf there, and then we'll stick the gold bits. It'll share that glue there. Put that down there. Got one poking down that side. And that will balance that out there. Fabulous. I'm gonna just put glue down the middle. Now I want to have that, I don't really want it in the middle, so I'm going to have it up a little bit higher. There. And then the thanks. What do I do with the thanks? I'm going to put the thanks up with dimensionals. Now, and I didn't put you through watching me fussy cut that. Could have done, but you can see I've left quite a big border so that you can see the word. See what I stamped. Now what did I do? There we are. Nice little, and these have got nice little iridescent, these sequins. So I'm going to just take that off with the back of my pokey tool. Couple there and one up there just to add a little bit more sparkle, and there we go. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.